Mabuhay! Good afternoon. Welcome to Alliance Hotel. Do you have any reservation with us?
Yes, I have reservation.
May I see your valid ID so I can verify your reservations?
Sure. Here's my valid ID.
Thank you. We have your reservations. You are Miss Ashley. You booked a standard room for 3 days and 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Here is your registration form. According to your reservations, the total amount is 7,000, payable in cash. Kindly sign here.
Here's my payment.
Thank you. I received 7,000 pesos. Here's your guest folio, key card, luggage tag, and breakfast coupon. I will send a bellman to you to assist you with your luggage.
Thank you.
Welcome. Good afternoon, ma'am. I will assist you with your luggage. May I ask if there are any fragile items inside?
Nothing.
May I have your luggage tag and guest folio, please? Thank you. Your room number is 408, located on the 4th floor. We will use the elevator. This way, ma'am. We introduce our hotel facilities. The bar is on the ground floor. The restaurant and cafe are on the 3rd floor. And the spa is on the 2nd floor. And the infinity pool is on the rooftop. We are now at your room, ma'am. Please tap your key card here. When the green lights appear, the door is unlocked. Thank you for choosing Alliance Hotel. I hope you enjoy your stay. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Good morning. This is the front desk. We would like to remind you that your checkout time is 12 noon today. Would you like to extend your stay?
No, thank you. I will check out today.
Would you like to send a bellman to assist you with your luggage?
No, thank you. I can manage.
Very well, ma'am. We will see you at the front desk. Thank you. Good morning. How may I assist you?
I would like to check out.
Okay, ma'am. I will just call the housekeeping department to check first your room. Housekeeping, good morning. This is the front desk. May we please confirm the room status of room 408? Thank you for the confirmation. We will proceed with the guest checkout. May I have your luggage tag, key card, and guest folio, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. You have a remaining balance of 2,100. How would you like to settle your payment? Cash or credit card?
I will pay in cash. Here's my payment.
Thank you. Please sign at the bottom. Here is your officially receipt. May I take a few minutes of your time to introduce our club membership?
Sure.
Our club membership offers 10,000 discount on rooms, 50% discounts on spa services, 20% discounts on food and beverage, and free access to the fitness gyms. Would you like to avail this membership?
Yes, I would like to avail it.
Okay, ma'am. The annual fee is 5,000. How would you like to pay? Cash or credit?
I will pay in cash. Here's my payment.
Thank you. I have received 7,000. Just fill out the quick membership form, your name, contact details, and ID.
Done.
Here's your membership card. Enjoy this discount right away. Welcome to the club.
Thank you.
Welcome.